Hello guys, hello, good morning, welcome again to my channel. I'm cooking now for lunch chicken with yogurt and vegetable. This is oven, but I boiling first a half hour over here on the top. Then after half hour we will put it in the oven. Okay guys, this is I have akusa, marrow, and one of potato and carrots, and 1 cup of yogurt. This one I marinate with onion and garlic and what is that, yogurt. 1 cup of yogurt I marinated more than 1 hour because I cut some of vegetable. And then now we are cooking and boiling a half hour, and I put the 1 chicken cubes. Yes, a list of salt. That's why I put a 1 piece of chicken cubes. But you must to try the test, is it good or not. And then you need also to prepare 1 cup of flour. This one to make it sticky. Yeah, to make it sticky, our oven chicken with yogurt. Yes, this is a nice also for lunch. You can cook our home and wherever we are, we can cook. This is a Arabic cook. Yes, over here in Kuwait. This is marinated yogurt. Okay guys, I will show you later. See you next videos. Bye bye, have a good time and enjoy our day and lunch. Bye bye, God bless.